Welcome to AI Toy Lab.
Have you ever wondered how people create these amazing futuristic mechanical toy videos that look incredibly realistic? The best part is you don't need expensive software or animation skills. Let me show you exactly how to make them. These videos are getting millions of views. They are across YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Because they're unique, satisfying, and futuristic. Here's the complete workflow. First, create an idea. Generate the image, animate it with AI, edit everything into a short video.
Step 1. Ask ChatGPT for a mechanical toy concept. For example, create a futuristic mechanical panda toy, made from gears, pistons, and glowing blue lights.
Keep your prompt detailed. Mention metallic textures, exposed gears, realistic lighting, cinematic quality, and toy design. Paste the prompt into an AI image generator, like Gemini, ChatGPT Images, Flux, or Midjourney, to create your mechanical toy.
Generate several versions and choose the one with the cleanest details and strongest lighting.
Now upload the image into an AI video generator, such as Kling AI, Haluo AI, Pixverse, or Veo. Use a motion prompt like, "The mechanical toy slowly wakes up, gears rotate, blue lights glow, camera pushes in dramatically." Within seconds, AI creates a smooth cinematic animation that looks professionally made. Import the clips into CapCut. Trim every scene to keep it fast and exciting.
Add mechanical sound effects like metal clicks, gear rotations, hydraulic movements, and subtle cinematic music. Now give your video a professional look by increasing the contrast, sharpening the details, and slightly boosting the saturation. This makes the metallic parts shine, the glowing lights stand out, and the entire toy look more realistic and cinematic. Don't forget animated captions, because many people watch videos without sound. Large, easy-to-read captions improve watch time and help viewers understand every step of the process.
Instead of creating only one toy, build an entire collection. Make mechanical dragons, wolves, sharks, lions, dinosaurs, eagles, spiders, and fantasy robots to keep your content fresh. Export your video in vertical 9:16 format and upload it to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Pinterest, and Facebook Reels to maximize your reach across every platform. The real secret isn't expensive software or powerful computers. Success comes from creative prompts, consistent posting, eye-catching thumbnails, and continuously improving the quality of every new video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI content, and comment mechanical below. Complete collection of premium AI prompts completely free.